Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening to all of you, and welcome to the first episode of the series How to Mine Cryptocurrencies, in which we talk about, or I would say more of show you, the quick and easy setup for mining your favorite cryptocurrencies. And in this episode, the first episode of this series, I'm going to talk about how to mine the Matic coin, the Matic Polygon cryptocurrency on your personal computer, PC, or laptop. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, what you will need is a PC or a laptop with a good GPU. Okay, so first of all, if you don't have GPU, then I would suggest please don't mine on CPU, because it will be like next to nothing. You will not be able to mine some significant amount of cryptocurrency. So I would suggest you to wait until you have a good GPU. When I say good GPU, it's like GTX or RTX series of NVIDIA, or the good GPUs in AMD Radeon. So if you have this kind of powerful good GPUs, then only do cryptocurrency mining. Okay. So the next step is, so first of all, what you will need is a T-Rex miner. Now, T-Rex miner is like really good miner when it comes to mining cryptocurrencies, and it has a little bit good flexibility so that you can configure a lot of stuff. But we will not go deep into that. Just simple steps. So first of all, go to the T-Rex miner GitHub. I will put the link in the description for this website. So you have to go to that, and here you have to download this T-Rex WinZip. It is for the Windows. Okay, so you click on that and it will get downloaded. Okay, okay, so it got downloaded, and here it will say it's commonly a dangerous or threat. So you have to like use keep, don't discard it. Okay, now let's go. Now, go to Windows Security. Okay, in the Windows Security, you have to go to Virus and Threat Protections. Here you have to go to Manage Settings. Then here exclusions. In the exclusions, click on add or remove exclusions. And here, as you can see, I have added the folder of the T-Rex already, but I will show you how to edit. Okay, so as you can see, I have downloaded the T-Rex miner. So you can just extract. Okay, so you have extracted the miner. Now what you have to do is you have to go to this Windows Defenders, and you have to click on add an exclusion. You have to select the folder, and then go to the downloads, and as you can see here, I have to add this folder. Okay, so I have added the folder. Now close it. As you can see, now we have added our miner into the Windows security exclusion, so it will not treat this miner as a virus or anything, or delete any files. Okay, so now it's good to go. So the next step is we have to add the mining file for the Matic cryptocurrency. As you can see, here is ETC, ETH, ETHCash, Ethereum, or the Raven coin. So you can mine all those types of coins, but we want to mine Matic coin in this particular episode. So what we are gonna do is search the I.average engineer on Google and click on the first link. But I will provide you the link in the description so that you can directly access that file, and click on how to mine this mini blog. Here you can see download Matic file for mining with T-Rex miner and place it in downloaded T-Rex miner folder. Click on this to download the Matic file and click on download. Download anyway. So we have downloaded the Matic file. So let's go to the download folder, and we have to cut the file and place it in this folder. So as you can see, now we have Matic Polygon file. So the next step is you have to click on edit, run, and here as you can see, this is the command which will start mining your cryptocurrency. So you don't have to go all through all these keywords, T-Rex and Ethash and all this stuff. The thing which you have to make sure is place this part with your wallet address of the Matic cryptocurrency. Now, I will show you as I use the MetaMask. This is my MetaMask and this is my Matic. Okay, so I've entered the Matic. This is my Matic cryptocurrency address. I will just click on copy and paste it here. Okay, control paste. Okay, so now my Matic wallet address is here. So whatever Matic is being mined will be transferred to this wallet. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Click on save. So you have to save the file and then close. Now double click, run, and as you can see, it has started mining the Matic cryptocurrency. And the uptime means we have started mining since 1 minute 1 second. The algorithm that we are using is Ethash and the T-Rex version 0.25.8. And as you can see here, my current GPU is Asus RTX 3080 Ti. That's my graphic card, and it's getting around 72.47 megahertz hash rate. And so yeah, it has started mining. Now, in order to look how much you have mined, or you want to like transfer your money or whatever Matic you have mined into your wallet, for that you have to go to unminable. To unminable/miner, I will put the link into the description. And what you can do is go to the address. Okay, go to address. As you can see, I've already pasted the address here, but you have to just paste your address and then click on the search. And as you can see, currently I have mined around 1.46 Matic. Okay, and I can transfer my Matic to my wallet once it has reached 3, the count of the 3 Matic coins. Currently I'm at 1.4, so as soon as I reach 3, I'll be able to transfer my money into the Matic into the wallet address. Okay, and also you can like switch the network if you want. Like if you want to switch to Ethereum, but the problem with Ethereum network is that you have to wait until you mine 20 Matic coins. Then and only you will be able to transfer your Matic coins into your Matic wallet address. Okay, so I have currently used a Polygon as it is only allowing 3, or you can also use Binance Smart Chain, which also limits just 3 Matic coins, and you can transfer your money back. So yeah, this is the way you can monitor like how much your miner has already mined. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so that's it. Nothing else. It's not like rocket science or something. Just few simple steps, and you're good to go. But anyway, if you have any problem setting up, then you can just comment, and I will try to find a solution for it. And also, there will be lots of more episodes on mining other coins like Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, or Dogelon, or whatever coins you like. Just put the names of the coin in the comment section, and I will try to create a small video on how to mine those cryptocurrencies as well. So see you soon. Until then, and also keep supporting the channel if you think uh, this helped you. Okay, so thank you everyone. See you in the next video.